Hey, Thrive Fit fam! Tired of skipping breakfast or grabbing sugary cereals that leave you crashing by noon? In 2026, breakfast is all about protein power, quick prep, and real energy. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy, healthy breakfast ideas that take under 10 minutes, packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Stick around, these could change your mornings forever. Hit that like button if you're ready to thrive. Whether you're rushing to work in NYC or hitting the gym in LA, these ideas use simple ingredients you can find at any Walmart or Trader Joe's. We'll focus on high-protein, fiber-rich options to keep you full and focused. Let's dive in. First up, protein-packed overnight oats. Mix 1/2 cup rolled oats with 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, and 1 scoop protein powder in a jar. Add sliced banana and a handful of berries. Refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with peanut butter. This gives you 20 grams protein, fiber for gut health, and steady energy, perfect for busy days. Next, custom Greek yogurt parfait. Start with 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, high in probiotics. Layer with fresh strawberries, blueberries, and a sprinkle of granola. Add almonds for crunch and healthy fats. Drizzle with honey. It's got 25 grams protein, antioxidants from berries, and keeps blood sugar stable. No mid-morning slump. Classic with a twist. Avocado Egg Toast. Mash half an avocado on whole grain toast, top with a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, and spinach. Season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. This combo delivers healthy fats, 15 Gs of protein, and vitamins, great for heart health and sustained focus. Quick blend, Berry Blast Smoothie. In a blender, add 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup spinach, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, and 1 cup oat milk. Blend until smooth. Pour and go. It's antioxidant-rich with 18 Gs of protein and hidden veggies, ideal for on-the-go mornings. Last but powerful, Cottage Cheese Veggie Bowl. Take 1 cup low-fat cottage cheese, mix in diced cucumber, tomatoes, and bell peppers, top with herbs and a dash of olive oil. This underrated gem packs 28 Gs of protein, low carbs, and is super refreshing. Helps with muscle recovery and weight management. Which of these are you trying first? Drop a comment below. If you're loving this, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got more wellness tips coming your way. There you have it, 5 healthy breakfast ideas to make 2026 your healthiest year yet. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and build the habit. These keep you energized without the junk. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to Thrive Fit Hub for daily fitness motivation. Check the description for full recipes and links. Thrive on!